Does your garage door take forever to open or close? A slow response time is more than just a minor annoyance. It can indicate underlying issues with the opener or other mechanical problems. Residents of Barrack Heights, don't let a sluggish garage door slow down your day. Take action now by calling 040-9774111. Our team of qualified professionals is ready to swiftly diagnose and solve any mechanical issues, ensuring your garage door operates efficiently. Whether it's the opener or something else, we've got the expertise to get your garage door moving at full speed again. Call today and experience the convenience of a fully functional garage door.